So, over the last few years, we've partnered with Cougar has partnered with Southeast Pump, and you guys are our rep of the Cougar Systems control panels. What has that been? How has that added into the product mix that you're offering to your customers?
So when we look at a product, we take on a product, we want to find something that meets our needs, meets our customers' needs, and they differentiate themselves because they're experts in doing controls, and they make features like their elite control panel. With that out of the box, I mean, you could do a whole lot with that, with touch screen interface, HMI, and having all the backup and the redundancy built into that control panel. Whether you want to do remote monitoring, or you want to have just to be able to you can do remote monitoring and tied into their building automations, existing building automation system, or have a really remote monitoring feature where we have that function. They have all that covered, and they have the expertise there that can help design that into the system.
Yeah, it's interesting that you mentioned some of those features. We're manufacturer and rep firm at the same time, so a lot of the features that you see in those panels come from years of frustration from my dad and Scott and others being out in the field and trying to connect the wiring on float switches and the field terminals and scream and yell late at night trying to make that stuff work.
Yeah, it's one of the worst things, when you're out in the field is getting that call late at night, like you said, or even over the holidays, and you're trying to help somebody troubleshoot over the that's where the frustration used to be. I don't have those frustrations anymore because most of the time, it's very, very rare, but when it does occur, they can easily troubleshoot it themselves. Plus, Cougar has 24/7 support team that they'll answer the phone and they'll help somebody. And we have not found that in the other control panel manufacturers that we've dealt with in the past. And that's a true blessing to have a company that really cares and support their product out in the field 24/7. And and it's also the little things like providing fuses and having them right there and ready, because who wants to be searching for a fuse at 2:30 at night, and having the control panels, everything is in the computer system, so they can take a shot of it, OCR, and they got the control panels, because a lot of times there's you can only imagine if a sewage ejector system has been there for 25 years,
the documents
typically the documents are gone,
yeah.
And be able to source that and looking for electrical line drawing, those problems go away.